We started our business 20 years ago as a management consulting company. We knew that we would have to make a migration to some type of SaaS offering. Going from on-prem, we knew that we needed to find the right help. A lot of companies are struggling with data visibility, speed to getting information between customers and from vendors, and being able to make any sense of it at all. We have a supply chain planning platform called Cloud Analytics, which provides all sorts of turnkey analytics and models for manufacturing distribution companies. What we're able to do is take all of that, simplify it, and make it actionable.
What's really important about cloud technology for businesses today, it's going to allow you to compete at the highest level in your market segment. At nClouds, our mantra is innovate faster. One of the biggest benefits of SaaS, along the lines of innovate faster, well, you're delivering faster. As an AWS SaaS competency partner, we partner with you in order to move you into the cloud.
For us, being an on-prem system, the biggest challenge was maintaining the system and providing updates. We wanted to be able to maintain our software better. But then also our customers didn't want to manage new software on-prem. So we needed new experts with backgrounds in these technologies in order to meet what our customers were expecting.
At nClouds, we could come in, evaluate your business needs, and then go about aligning the technologies that are available in AWS so that we're guiding you towards the right solution that is going to meet your business goals.
That's one thing that really separated nClouds out from the other businesses. As a SaaS competency partner, nClouds has been absolutely great at making sure that we have the right technical knowledge working on our technical objectives.
OperationsRX and nClouds, they worked on re-architecting their RDS database solutions, combined together with like automated CI/CD pipelines, AWS ECS, AWS Code Suite, as well as a service called AWS Step Functions. That's how they were able to take advantage of the SaaS model to help them innovate faster.
By getting everybody on the same version of the code and having a true CI/CD pipeline from start to finish, we were able to get our implementation down from 3 to 4 months down to 1 to 2 weeks. We were able to reduce our Amazon budget by 50%. That means that we're getting better margin on our side, and that also means that we're able to reduce our price to our customers. Helps us just roll out bug fixes quicker, helps us roll out new features quicker, and it also just makes sure that as we're setting something up for a new customer, we're able to provide that same functionality to all of our other customers and tenants.
What OperationsRX represents is they are that innovative company that does have it figured out.
SaaS has made my job easier because we're able to really just focus on delivering value for our business and for our customers. Being able to leverage our partner in nClouds to manage everything AWS for us has just given us a lot of flexibility.